In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell your courses online step by step. Hi, I'm Abhi, and I talk about digital marketing for your niche business. Stick to the end of this video because I have a free bonus for you. Launching online course for your learners requires expertise in IT, software development, as well as designs. Hence, if you're wondering how to start your online course without these expertise, this video is going to be your savior. Rather than feeling lost and wondering how to proceed ahead, just follow this video step by step. At first, why should you even create a course and sell online? It is simple. Because there are people out there who would want to know what you know, who would want to learn what you can teach them, and there is money to be made. The online courses market is expected to reach over $300 billion in the next 4 years. Because of the pandemic in 2020, the course consumptions online has increased drastically in the last few years. Step 1. First, you must choose the subject that sells really well. Take a look at top reasons why people buy certain courses. For example, career-related courses are the highest selling courses out there in the world. Do not choose a broad subject, choose a niche subject because the riches are in the niches. Step 2. Create your online course. Get started with your gear, a good camera, softwares, lighting, microphone, etc. All the gear should be ready. If your budget allows you, you may even buy a professional camera or maybe even get started with your phone in the pocket. Step 3. Choose where you want to sell your courses online. You may choose to go with online marketplaces like Udemy. But such online platforms have restrictive rules and they tend to take a percentage of your total revenue. The platform that I recommend to you today is Systeme.io. It is an all-in-one tool that you need to set up your business online. And did I mention that it is free forever, no credit card required. Systeme.io is a French company. It helps you build your course site without any technical knowledge or developers. It is the easiest way to sell your course and deliver content online. You can create your course site with their easy-to-use editor. You can integrate access to your course with payments that happen with the help of sales funnels. You can give time-based access to your courses to your students with the help of Systeme.io's drip feature. That's it. You can create, sell, and make profit for all your courses online with the help of this all-in-one platform. It is a platform that you need to launch, grow, and scale your online business. As I said earlier, it is the easiest and most intuitive way to create your courses and increase your business online. So go ahead and get it all for free today. Sign up on Systeme.io. Step 4. Market your business online to sell your course to the target audience. Create a website in Systeme.io. Build an email list. Build a sales funnel. Start writing your blogs. Subscribe to my channel right now so that you get notified about my video in which I am going to show you step by step as to how you build all of the above mentioned features of Systeme.io. Step 5. Launch free trial of your course to everyone in your network, that is your friends, family, and also your business. This is called seed launch, where all these people are your early testers who give you the feedback of your course before you know how to launch it at full scale. Step 6. Map out your student journey, which is nothing but customer journey. There are more than 7 or 8 stages usually, but in the broad terms, let's say that these are only 3 steps, that is, awareness, consideration, and decision. In this case, awareness means publishing and promoting your content on social media as well as writing blogs about your course. Consideration means creating testimonial videos of your students and building your social proof. Last and final, decision. Addressing your students' problems and concerns, which will help them make the purchasing decision. Step 7 is the bonus step, which is to create an affiliate program for your courses. Your students will become your loyal customers and they will sell your courses by recommending others and become your affiliates. This will help you build your brand as well as it is free marketing for you. It is a unique win-win situation because you will earn and scale your business. At the same time, your students will earn money by selling your courses because they find your courses genuine. There you have it. This way, you can start your coaching business online. If you like this video, I encourage you to go in the description box below and check out the link for more information on Systeme.io. But I also want you to know that you can learn a lot about digital marketing by taking the same courses and classes that I took at richandniche.com. The affiliate link is in the description below. Here's the bonus that I promised you at the beginning of this video. Click the link in the description below to book a 15-minute free consulting session with me that will help you take your business online. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next video.